Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's the topic is semi-solid vehicle. In this topic, we study about the semi-solid vehicles, types of semi-solid vehicle, its preparation and uses. And let's start the topic. Some types of the semi-solid vehicle is paraffin, liquid paraffin, beeswax, linolene, spermaceti, prepared lard, isinglass, tar, soaps. We study firstly paraffin. Firstly, we study the hard paraffin. Its synonym is like paraffin drum. Its source is petroleum, and it is used mainly to increase the consistency of ointment. Soft paraffin. Uh, Firstly, we study the yellow soft paraffin. Its synonym is amber petroleum, yellow petroleum, petroleum jelly, paraffin jelly. Its source is of hydrocarbons from the petroleum. Its properties: it is pale yellow, translucent, soft mass, untouched to touch, almost free from odor to touch and taste. Not more than slightly fluorescent by daylight and even when melted. Practically insoluble in water and alcohol, soluble in chloroform, in solvent ether and light petroleum jelly. Its uses is it is used as a basic of ointment and it is highly occlusive and good emollient. White soft paraffin, its synonym is white petroleum jelly, petro, paraffin molem album. Its sources is it is obtained from the petroleum and bleached. Its properties: white, translucent, soft masses, untouched to touch, odorless when rubbed on the skin, tasteless, insoluble in chloroform and solvent ether and in light petroleum. Its uses is it used for the preparation of emulsifying ointment, paraffin ointment, and simple ointment. It is used as a lubricant and applied on a ulcer and wounds. Liquid paraffin. Its synonym is mineral oil, liquid petroleum, white mineral oil, heavy liquid petroleum. It is used in the preparation of eye ointment. Limonene. Its synonym is bull fat adipose elen. Its sources is it is obtained from bull of sheep, Ovis aris. Its preparation: the natural grease is extracted from the wool of by treating with dilute alkali which it readily form a emulsion. The emulsion acidified and the wool fat separate as a distinct layer at the surface of the liquid. Purification may be elicited by the repeated treatment with the water in centrifuge. Properties: a pale yellow tenacious untouched substance, odor faint and characteristic, insoluble in water, springly soluble in cold alcohol, freely soluble in solvent ether. Its uses: it is used as a base in water absorbable ointment. It is increase the absorption of drug from the skin. It is used also as a emollient. Spermaceti. Its synonym is Cetaceum sperma de balena. Sources: from the head of bulbar of sperm whale, Physeter macrocephalus, and bottle nosed whale, Hyperodon rostrus. Its utilities: it is one of the solid fatty substances employed to give consistencies of syrup and ointment. Its property: a white, somewhat translucent, slightly untouched mass with a crystalline fracture and pearly luster. Faint odor, insoluble in water, nearly soluble in cold water, and slightly soluble in cold petroleum engine, but soluble in boiling alcohol. Prepared lard. Its synonym is edible lard. Its sources is purified internal fat, unknown as a flare, the abdomen hog. Utility: it is used as an ingredient in ointment. Its property: a soft white untouched mask, faint odor, or a blend taste free from rancidity. Soluble in alcohol, insoluble in alcohol, soluble in solvent ether, chloroform, and light petroleum. Waxes. Waxes are solid ester of higher monohydric alcohol and highly fatty acid from other than glycerol. Firstly, we study the yellow bee wax. Its synonym is Serra flava, and its sources is wax from honeycomb of the hive bee, Apis mellifica, other species of honey bee. Its preparation is firstly we get the honeycomb. After the we remove the honey, or after the wax is melted with hot water and washes away with the honey remains. Its cool bee wax is separated at the surface as a solid cake, and we separate this wax. Its property: a yellow to grayish brown solid odor honey like, tasted faint and characteristic, brittle when cold but become plastic when warm, insoluble in water, completely soluble in chloroform, ether, fixed and volatile oils. White bee wax, synonyms is Serra alba. It is used as a component of syrups and ointment. It is used the preparation of syrup and ointment. It uses of hardening of the soft ointment. Ice in glass. Its synonymous is resin ice glass. Sources is collagen derived from the thin inner silver shiny layer of air bladder of some fishes. Its uses is it is used in the component of plaster. We study the soaps, and soaps further divided into vegetables and animal sources. In vegetable sources, they are further divided into hard and soap sources. In animal sources is curd soap. Sources of the soaps is interaction, the potassium hydroxide of sodium hydroxide with a suitable vegetable oil, or oils with the fatty acid derived from there. It is used in soap liniment. Starch. Its uses is it is the component of glycerol of starch. Hope you all understand the semi-solid vehicle, its type and its preparation and its uses. As, all of the semi-solid vehicle is used for the making of ointment, liniment, syringe, plaster. Thank you so much.